Hello students, let's start with our today's topic, that is relation. Relation we have also studied in class 11th, and first of all let's quickly revise our class 11th topic. Cartesian product of sets. This we have studied in class 11th. Let A is any set with two elements 2 and 4, and B is another set with elements 10, 20 and 35. Number of elements in A is 2 and number of elements in B is 3. So we need to find the Cartesian product of these two sets. Cartesian product is denoted by A cross B and its elements are in the form of ordered pair. This is the first ordered pair of A cross B. So the Cartesian product is 2, 10, 220, 235, 410, 420, 435. This is the roster form of Cartesian product. This also we can understand with the help of arrow diagram. This is set A with elements 2, 4. This is set B with elements 10, 20 and 35. So you can clearly see three arrows are going from 2 towards 10, 20 and 35, and from 4 3 arrows are going towards 10, 20 and 35. So this is the Cartesian product that we write the elements in the form of ordered pair with each element of set A with each element of set B. This is the roster form of writing the Cartesian product, and Cartesian product can also be written like this. A cross B, this is equals to AB such that A belongs to set A and B belongs to set B. First element of ordered pair belongs to first set, second element of ordered pair belongs to second set. So this is set builder form of writing the Cartesian product. After the Cartesian product, let's revise relations. Relations comes from Cartesian product. Relation is a set of ordered pair with the special relationship. Relation is a set of ordered pair with the special relationship. We have taken some elements from the Cartesian product that we find in the previous slide. The elements of the relation are 2, 10 and 4, 20. So some elements we have taken from the Cartesian product, that is 2, 10 and 4, 20. We can easily see there is some relationship between A and B, between first element and the second element of ordered pair. 5 times 2 gives you 10. 5 times 4 gives you 20. So there is some relation between these two elements. That's why it is a relation. And again, this is the roster form of writing the relation. We can also write the relation like this. R is equals to AB, where B is equals to 5A, where A belongs to first set A and B belongs to B. This is the set builder form of writing a relation. We have written the same relation in the set builder form. So there we have two ways of writing a relationship. One is roster, another is set builder. We can also define another relation from that Cartesian product. There is second relation. In this relation, the arrows are going from 2 to 20 and 2 to 10. And also the arrow is going from 4 to 20. So we have these three elements in another relation, that is 210, 220 and 420. There is also some relationship between first and second element of a ordered pair. That second element is multiple of first element. 5 times 2 is 10, 10 times 2 is 20, 5 times 4 is 20. So this is again the roster form of writing the relation. We can also write the relation like this: R is equals to AB, such that B is multiple of A, where A belongs to A and B belongs to B. This is the set builder form of writing a relation. So relation is what? Suppose this is a circle of Cartesian product A cross B. This whole circle represents Cartesian product A cross B. And relation consists of some elements from Cartesian product. Not all, some elements. But some elements that have a specific relationship, that have some relationship or some special relationship. So elements of a relation comes from the Cartesian product. Therefore, a relation is always a subset of A cross B. A relation is always a subset of A cross B. So this is the way of writing a relation, that R is such that from A to B, relation from one set to another set. Relation can be defined from one set to another set, or it can also be defined from the same set to same set. It can also be defined like this: R is such that from A to A. So relation can also be defined like this, that R is such that from A to A. So we have two forms of writing a relationship. One is set builder, another is roster form. So relation also has some domain and range. So elements of set A having relationship with the elements of set B will give us the domain. These elements 2, 4, these forms the domain of relation, and these elements 10, 20, these forms the range of a relation. So the domain is 2, 4 and the range is 10, 20. But you can see that here 35 has no relationship with 2 and 4. So range consists 10 and 20, those elements which have some relationship. And this whole set B, this B set is called the codomain of R.